This is the latest celebrity booking website. As you can see, this is a premium website. We have various celebrity here. So once you get this script or website, you can choose to add any celebrity of your choice. As you can see, we have over 200 celebrities here. So we have different categories of celebrities. We have um, we have actors, we have musicians, we have sports stars, and we have digital influencers. So this is a premium celebrity website. So I'll be taking you through this particular website. So first of all, let's register. So once we give this website to a client or a user, the user can register and make payments through the website. So let's register. So let's repeat the password. So our interest, let's put music and comedy. As you can see, you can turn this website to lighting and darkening. So let's create an account. So once our account is created, this is how it looks like. So you can choose to add profile on your picture. So this is how the website looks like. So once you register, then you can now book any website. So let's book this Taylor Swift. As you can see, the booking fee is $750. As you can see, we have light and dark theme. So if a client wants to book, let's book Taylor Swift. Event type, birthday party, event location New York. Put a time and date. So the name and the random email. So you can choose the duration of how many minutes you want the celebrity to spend. The next requirement is to, if you have any specific requests, just put sing me a special birthday song. So the next step is to make our payments. So you can make payment with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, bank transfer, USDT, and Binance USDT. You can see the Bitcoin address. So once you get the script, we have a option to change all this to your own particular wallet. So this is the USDT address. This is the Ethereum, and this is the bank transfer. This bank transfer, you can choose where to put the bank, the name, the account number, the SWIFT code. So if a client wants to make a payment, we just upload the payment slip, click on agree, and click on submit booking requests. So once the client submits it, it will show on the admin end, so you can decide to approve it, reject it, or put it on hold. You can see it's pending. So I don't want this video to be long, so let me just make everything sharp. So this is how the booking. So you can also apply for fan card in case a celebrity wants to apply for celebrity fan card. So you choose any celebrity you want to apply. Let's do for The Rock, Dwayne Johnson. Let's apply for fan card. So you can see the apply for VIP, silver, gold, or platinum. So the next step will show you the benefits. So add your shipping address and payment method. You can pay for fan card with bank details, with cryptocurrency, or anything. So let's just make purchase for your fan card. So after making the payment, you still have to wait for admin to approve. So you can also make donations. So let's donate to a particular celebrity. Let's donate to Tom Cruise. Click on donate. So you bring an option. You can download $50, $100, $250, or $500. You can choose to increase it if you want to. So personal message, you can just message the celebrity. So environmental conversation. So here you will make the payment of the donation. So you can also do meet and greet if you want to meet any celebrity. Meet and greet. So this website has so many features. And if you need this website script, or you want us to build this particular website for you, I will leave a link below where you can contact me, Tech, so we can get it for you ASAP. see, this website have dark theme, light theme, they have profile, notification, and you can send notification to your clients through this website to make payment or make reservation, fan card, and the rest. Book a celebrity too. So do well to like, share,